Why gut health is key to your overall wellness. The gut, often referred to as the second brain, plays a pivotal role in our overall health and well-being. It's home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiota, which can significantly influence various aspects of our health. From digestion to immune function and even mental health, the state of your gut can determine how you feel every day. One of the primary reasons gut health is crucial is its direct impact on digestion. The gut is responsible for breaking down the food we eat, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. When the gut is functioning optimally, it effectively processes food and extracts essential nutrients. However, an unhealthy gut can lead to digestive issues like bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. Research published in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology highlights that maintaining a healthy gut microbiome can enhance nutrient absorption and improve digestive health. Beyond digestion, gut health is integral to our immune system. Approximately 70% of the body's immune cells are found in the gut. The gut microbiota helps regulate the immune system and protect against harmful pathogens. A study in Nature Reviews Immunology demonstrates that a balanced gut microbiome can enhance immune responses, while an imbalanced microbiome may lead to increased susceptibility to infections and autoimmune diseases. This underscores the importance of nurturing your gut health to support your body's defenses. Moreover, emerging research suggests a strong link between gut health and mental well-being. The gut-brain axis is the communication network linking the gut and the brain, which means that an unhealthy gut can impact your mood, anxiety levels, and overall mental health. The gut produces neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, which is known as the feel-good hormone. In fact, about 90% of serotonin is produced in the gut. Studies published in Frontiers in Psychiatry reveal that an imbalance in gut bacteria can contribute to mood disorders like anxiety and depression. By prioritizing gut health, you can positively influence your mental state and emotional well-being. To improve and maintain gut health, dietary choices are essential. A diverse diet rich in whole foods is crucial for nurturing a healthy gut microbiome. Incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide the necessary nutrients to support gut health. Fiber, in particular, plays a significant role. It serves as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting their growth and activity. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, diets high in fiber can improve gut microbiota diversity and overall gut health. In addition to fiber, fermented foods are excellent for gut health. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are rich in probiotics, live bacteria that can benefit gut health. Consuming these foods can help restore and maintain a balanced gut microbiome. A review in Nutrients notes that probiotics can enhance gut health by modulating the gut microbiota composition and improving intestinal barrier function. It's also important to limit the intake of processed foods, sugars, and artificial additives, which can negatively affect gut health. These substances can promote the growth of harmful bacteria and reduce the diversity of the gut microbiome. A study in Cell Metabolism found that a diet high in processed foods and sugars can lead to dysbiosis, an imbalance in gut bacteria that can contribute to various health issues. Hydration is another vital aspect of maintaining gut health. Drinking enough water supports digestion and helps the body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Adequate hydration can also prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. The Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology emphasizes that staying hydrated is essential for maintaining overall gastrointestinal health. Stress management is equally important for gut health. Chronic stress can negatively impact gut function and contribute to gut-related issues. When you experience stress, the body's response can alter gut motility, leading to symptoms like bloating and diarrhea. Engaging in stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or regular physical activity can promote a healthier gut. Research published in Psychosomatic Medicine shows that stress reduction techniques can improve gut health and overall well-being. Sleep quality is another critical factor that influences gut health. Poor sleep can disrupt the gut microbiome and impair digestive function. Aim for 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your gut and overall health. A study in sleep found that individuals with disrupted sleep patterns experienced changes in gut microbiota composition, which could affect metabolic health. Regular physical activity is also linked to a healthy gut. Exercise has been shown to promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and enhance overall gut health. The Journal of Applied Physiology highlights that regular physical activity can improve gut microbiota diversity and promote a healthier gut environment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation for a healthy life. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What strategies do you use to maintain your gut health? Let's continue this journey toward better wellness together. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.